Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757 giving a review that a company has actually sent us. The name of the device will be literally in the description of the video. If you do Uber, Lyft, or anything that deals with the public sitting inside your vehicle and you are giving them rides or a taxi or whatever the case may be, this is the perfect camera. Does the outside and it also does the inside. And I'm going to take it off. All you have to do is slides right off. It's hard to see because of the camera, but you can actually see right here in the corner that actually is the camera that's right here that does the inside, and you can see the camera on the outside. It came with a third one for the rear backup, but I didn't even need any of that stuff. I'm a mobile mechanic. I actually have customers sitting in our vehicles when we take them to get the parts or whatever the case may be. Sometimes you got to take them to the bank. And this is, the camera doesn't lie, and also it has collision detection and all that great stuff. One of the reasons why we like this, it actually came with a card. The memory card, it came with it. You could put a bigger one in there, but it came with 64. One of the biggest selling features is if the police pull you over, whatever the case may be, that right there is part of the GPS. It's hard to see it, but it has little prongs up under there. Let me see if I can point to them. It has little prongs in there by which this camera right here goes into. So as soon as they connect, now you have a GPS. And one of the reasons why we wanted this camera, and you can see how easy it is to mount. You just push it right on and now the GPS is active. Camera moves around right here. It's also got night vision. No one's telling me to sell any of this stuff. No one's telling me to do or anything I'm doing. I just want to help people. As a regular person, I get a lot of Lyft and Uber. So this is a way of protecting. I tell all of the drivers this is what you should do. But it has a GPS built in it, because I was actually looking online and it had it all separate and you got to do all this and all that stuff. It's really simple. All we did is you can actually put it into your fuse box, but we just plug it into the cigarette lighter, which is always powered. So it always has power, and somebody bumps in or whatever the case may be. The camera's rolling 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it has the 4K and the 1080p, depends on how you want to do it. So this camera can go a reverse camera. It can go to right here, which is me inside, or it does on the outside, and it's very clear. So if something happens, I can see the license plates, anything I want to see. I'm just trying to, and I want to help everybody, and this is a very good camera to have, and it's a bang for your buck for everything that you're looking for versus all separate and all this complicated stuff. And like I said, it does have a backup camera, but I don't need it for this vehicle because I already got a backup camera. But if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.